welcome to Portugal. I'm now here in Porto Covo, and this is the place where I'm about to start my run along the Fisherman's Trail going south along the coast. Should be a roughly 200 and something kilometer run, and I should cover it over the next 7 days. Day 1. That way. Quite a place. The back could be a bit lighter. I could use a bit of less sand. Other than that, all well. I think that's the village I'm heading to. So, first day done. The legs are feeling quite alright, so should be good for another day of running tomorrow. 1 day done, 6 more to go. Sorry?
If you go on the bridge,
yeah,
6 kilometers.
Ah, that's a long one. Yeah. Hey, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Stay safe. Completely lost. I'm slowly starting to get used to running with the quite heavy backpack. It's quite hot, still some sand along the way, but much more runnable than it was yesterday. So no cloud in the sky. My legs really don't like going down the stairs this time of the day. The only concern I have at the moment is finding some water. Okay, day 2 almost done. I think I only have like 3 kilometers to go, and I think the white thing back there might be the village I'm heading to. Sun is about to set. Beautiful evening, couldn't be better. Made it here to Zambujeira just before sunset, and looking for my accommodation now before it gets too cold. Day 3. My trail goes that way. No can do. Too thick. I'll try this way. Somewhere up there. Starting to find my running legs again. village where I'm heading to is a bit up the river, so the end of day 3. Done with day 3. Still 4 to go. Day 4. Clean socks day. Start of the 3rd day. Oh, start of the 4th day. Sun is shining. Clean pair of socks. And feeling quite alright. It's hot. Really hot. And the sun is still shining. Feeling quite strong today. I had a really good night's sleep last night. Slept like 12 hours or so. Slept like a baby. My legs are feeling quite alright. No pain whatsoever. And no blisters so far. I've been trying to take really good care of my legs every night. The only chafing I have is because of the backpack, but that's alright as well. Terrible, terrible weather. Look at that. First clouds of the trip, and it's day 4 already. I fueled up with a couple of Cokes and ice cream in the village on the way, and now okay, 22k in, day 4. Found the pain. Legs are quite achy, especially after that downhill. Not looking forward to that downhill. Had to sit down here in the shade for a second and think about it. Should be like a bit more than 10 kilometers to go, so quite alright. But the knees are quite swollen. I know it happens when I run multiple days in a row, but it always looks awful. But I'll get over it. 10-12k of running and I should meet my dinner for today. That's a village I'm not staying tonight. Still 10k to go. Really welcome uphill, so I get the excuse of walking a bit. 9 to go. Knees are feeling it. And the downhill muscles. Arriving to Afrian. About time. The thing is that I typically finish my runs around 3 o'clock. And guess what time the restaurants close? The kitchens around here. Day 5. Day 5. Really tired. And it's only the morning. Tough start for the morning. Legs were not really working and I felt really tired overall. But after the first hour or so in, starting to feel normal again. The scenery helps quite a bit. There was a snake on the trail. approaching the end of day 5. I think there's like 5 kilometers to go, and I think I can make it. I think I'm approaching the point when my legs are not feeling any worse today than they were yesterday, so I'm getting quite stable. Day 6. Feeling really strong.
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that I'm well aware. I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with me, mon cher? So let us just do my love and not stop thinking of this over. So let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now.
Less than 5 kilometers to go on day 6. All well, except for my left knee. Done. Day 7, finally. Leaving Villa de Bispo towards Cabo de São Vicente. Almost there. Windy! Getting close! That's it, Cabo de São Vicente. About to finish my week of running. Honestly, I couldn't have taken a lot more of it. Really happy that it's done now, but at the same time feeling a bit sad. Somehow it's really relaxing to wake up, start running, run through the day, eat, sleep, repeat, and do that multiple days in a row. Really like it. But as said, my body couldn't have taken it much more. Left knee is aching quite a bit, and I'm having hard time sleeping even with painkillers. Still have like 10-12 kilometers to go to Sagres, but first... Done.